This is Microsoft PowerPoint 2016, Lesson 4, Customizing Slide Masters. The Slide Master for a presentation stores information on the current theme, layouts of placeholders, bullet characters, and other formats that affect all slides in the presentation. If you want to make design changes that apply to many or all slides, you can save a great deal of time by modifying the Slide Master rather than applying changes to each slide. So to customize a Slide Master, use Slide Master View. Slide Master View has its own tab on the ribbon to provide tools. So let's go ahead and get started with the first step-by-step. We're going to be using the rates presentation. Go ahead and save it as Rates Masters. With Slide 1 active, click the View tab. Click the Slide Master buttons right up here. Slide Master View opens with the title slide layout selected in the left pane. Click the first slide in the left pane, which is the Slide Master for the current theme. It is the top slide in the left pane. So here's my top slide. Go up, my top slide there. Okay. Click the Themes button in the Slide Master tab to open the Themes gallery. So here's my themes. Click the Wisp theme in the gallery. So let's see if I can find Wisp. There's Wisp. The theme is applied to the Slide Master as well as all slide layouts in the left pane. So everything changed to that theme. Now we're going to move and resize placeholders on the layout slide. So in the Slide Master's view, click to select the layout master for the title slide. So in this first slide, hover the mouse pointer over the slide to see screen tip indicating the layout master's name. In the right pane, I'm sure I do have the right next one. It might be this one. There it is. This the one I need is the one I needed instead. Okay. So I'm down one. So I get the slide title slide. Go back up. In the right pane, click the outer border of the subtitle placeholder. Click to edit master subtitle slide to select the text box. So here, click to edit master subtitles right there. I'll click the outer border of that. So I'm going to click the outer border. On the Drawing Tools Format tab in the Size group, set the height to value 1 inch. So my format here, I'm going to size and set the height to 1 inch. Position the mouse pointer over the border of the subtitle placeholder, but not over the section handle. The mouse pointer becomes a four-headed arrow. Click and drag the box to the top of the slide. So we want this up at the top of the slide instead. And align it with the left edge of the title slide. So we're just lining it up here so those are equal. Using the same process as in step 4, move the title placeholder immediately below. So we're going to take this one and we're going to move it up here immediately below. Okay. Adding new elements to a master. Click the slide master at the top left of the pane. So we're going to click the slide edit the master there at the top. On the insert tab, click text box. In the text group, in the bottom left corner of this, click the text box. So we're going to text box. In the bottom left corner of the slide master, below the footer, click to place a new text box and then type copyright 2016. So let me move this up. In the bottom left corner of the slide master below the footer. So down here below the footer, once a text box. And I'm going to type copyright 2016 South Ridge videos. Select the text you just typed and click decrease font size to change it to 14. There we go. 14. Then resize the text box necessary. The text fits on one line. Okay, and I'm also going to make sure that we do have it. Yep, we have it in the right spot. On the Drawing Tools Format tab, with the text still selected, change the text fill color. Okay, on my Format tab, and I want to change the fill color, not the shape. So the text, let's see, text fill. We're going to choose light green background 2. Maybe this one, light green. Light green, background 2, darker 75%. Right there. Yep, it changed colors to it's a greenish color now. Click the Slide Master tab. So I'm on Slide Master tab here. Your slide should look at as this one does here. Click the Close Master View. I'm going to hit Close Master View. And you can see how things have all been changed. The copyright is down there, as it is on all slides. Okay. Here the subtitle has been put up to the top, and the main title there in the middle. Work with background images. So go to slide 1. On the Design tab, click Format Background to display Format Background text pane. So customize Format Background. Mark the Hide Background Graphics. Right here, Hide Background Graphics. So it gets rid of those wispy grasses. Background image disappears from slide 1. It remains on the other 2 slides, so it's going to still be on those. Clear the hide background graphics checkbox. So we're going to clear that out so the graphics come back. Background image reappears. Close the Format Background task pane. On the View tab, click Slide Master to enter the Slide Master view and select the title and content layout in the left pane. So I'm on the title and content layout. On the Slide Master tab, mark the Hide Background graphic. Let's see. Let me enlarge this so I can see that box. Here it is under Background, Hide Background Graphics. Okay. So it's under Background there, Hide Background Graphics. The background graphic is removed from the chosen layout. This method of removal hides the background for all slides that use this layout, whereas the method in step 3 only hid the background for that slide itself. Let's see. Clear that tab, so we're going to bring it back. Select the title slide layout in the left pane, and then in the right pane, select the brown polygon graphic to the this brown polygon pane. We're going to select it on the left side of the pane. Hold down the Shift key and click page number code inside of it. Shift key and page number code. Okay. so that both objects are now selected. So I selected the outside one, held down the shift, and then select the inside one. Drag the selected object up so that the point of the polygon points to at the word click. So we're going to slide it up to there. Click the Slide Master thumbnail at the top of the left pane. So this top one. And then in the right pane, click the leaf graphic. So here's my leaf graphic. Then press delete. And press the delete button, and that deleted that leaf graphic. The leaf graphic is 2 parts. Repeat the process for the smaller part here. Notice that leaf graphic is removed from all the layouts. So now it's gone from all of these since we removed it from the main master slide up there. On the Insert tab, click Picture. Navigate to the location containing the files for this lesson and select store.jpg. So let me get to that. Should be right in here. Store, Insert. The image is inserted on the slide master where it covers almost all the content. Drag the upper and lower section handles on the image so that it does cover the entire slide. Okay, so let me move this over here a little bit. Oh, I need to move that up and move this down so that it does cover the whole slide. On the Pictures Tool Format tab, click Color button located in the Adjust Color button. So on the Format button here, click Color. And click the Washout, the fourth thumbnail in the first row, so Washout. Let's see. Right here, Washout. And then the Recolor section. So now it's very light. And then in the Arrange group, we're going to send backward. So, and then click Send to Back. So now it is back behind all the text. Now all the background images behind all the other objects on the slide master as well as the layout master. So if I go here, you can see it's on all these other slides. Go ahead and save that presentation. Create a new layout. So click the slide master at the top left of the pane. So I'm going to select my slide master again. In the slide master tab, click Insert Layout. Insert Layout. A new blank layout appears at the bottom of the left pane. It is blank except for a title placeholder in the copyright information. On the Slide Master tab, click the Insert Placeholder button drop-down arrow. A menu opens. In the menu, click Text. Mouse pointer turns into a crosshair. So this little crosshair I have here. Draw a new text placeholder on the slide below the title placeholder that will cover most of the empty space on the slide vertically and about 3/4 of the empty space on the slide horizontally. I think that's what it wants. Let me see. Not quite. So we're going to make that a little bit smaller. About like that. Click the Insert Placeholder drop box again. And we're going to select Picture and draw a placeholder box to the right of that one. Okay. So that'll be for a picture. Right-click the new Layout Master in the left pane and click Rename Layout. So right here, I'm going to right-click that, and we're going to rename Layout. And we're going to rename it Text and Slide. text inside picture. Click rename. Go to slide 1. On the Home tab, on the Slide Master Close Master View, we're going to go ahead and close that. Okay, so go to slide 1. On the Home tab in the Slides group, click the New Slides button, drop down arrow. So right here is my new slides. Okay, and we can go down and we'll see that that text inside picture, the one we just made, is right there. So we're going to go ahead and click that. Now that became our second slide. So now we have 4 slides. Click the View tab and click Handout Master. Click the header section and type South Ridge Video. So right here, I'm going to type South Ridge Video. Click in the footer section down here, and we're going to type copyright 2016 South Ridge Video. Click Slides per Page. We're going to click 4. Close Master View. Click the View tab, and we're going to go to Notes Master. The Notes Master page opens. Click in the header section and type South Ridge Video. And in the footer section, type copyright 2016 South Ridge Video. Click the Notes page orientation and select landscape. Okay, so now it's turned it longwise, giving me more area for notes. Close the master view. Click File, Print. And then select the arrow next to full page. And we're going to go to 4 slides vertical right here. So we can see that's the new layout we made. And you can see it there. And then we're also going to click Notes page. So up here is our Notes page, what that would look like. Go ahead and click the back button without printing. And that is the end of that section.